test drive it, and it was the first thing that hit me when I hit the gas. It went, it's very kind of cool. I wasn't against it. And then I drive it, and I'm just over and over again noticing it. I'm not going to really do a how-to video. That was done so well by the people I bought it from, CJ Pony Parts, who sells a kit. Let me get it for you. Yeah, it comes in a little box like this, you know. And bam. That is it. You know, nothing else but a little catalog of stuff. And they're called Dream Garage Giveaway, where you send some money off. That's not bad. Maybe I'll enter that, huh? Anyway, so you get the cover plate, the one for the firewall, and a zip tie and a O-ring. And let me show you what it is we're taking out. So that right there, that's a sound symposer. Okay, this piece right here bolts to the intake, and it pipes in this sound all the way through here, up into here, and into the firewall. So we're going to be putting this kit on right now. Okay, I only got that little plug, fell right down there. It's crazy, it dropped and whoop. Anyway, don't drop it. It's kind of hard to get in, and it keeps wanting to squirrel out. The zip tie, which I didn't hear real well on the CJ Pony Parts, was is for the sensor to tie it off and to keep it from, you know, running around down there. So I guess once you're done with that, you know, you're good to go. This is the deleted sound symposer. Got a lot more space, definitely to reach your arms in. That's what the firewall looks like there. You can actually get to your master cylinder, check your brake fluid, all that stuff. And you can look down there. There's the shift thing we can take a look at later. But that's the delete. That's what they call it anyway. I did the delete of the sound symposer last night, you know. Decent, really quick job. I didn't really focus on it, but you know, I get it. I get the sound symposer. We have a couple of focuses. My wife has a 2-liter regular Focus. Neat little cars. Kind of the reason I like this car, and I bought it. And you know, the sound symposer changes the interior dynamic of the car. The feel of the car, tighter, but a regular Focus is pretty nice. Hers is she's got all leather in hers, and hers is nice. It handles well, and so does this car. But without the sound symposer, you know, it's kind of you know, it's not as exciting. It feels a little bit less special without the sound symposer. So, you know, hey, it's quieter. It is for sure. But I can definitely understand why that sound symposer is there, because, you know, it makes the car more exciting. At first, and then the sound of the sound symposer, like, you know, that's just piped in, and you do get better engine sounds that are more real. It's the same sound, just, you know, not as much of it, which I like. You know, it's, you feel the engine, you hear the engine, and you understand it better, because it's well, real, you know, not synthesized. Well, you know, that was just, it was real engine noise just piped in from the intake, which is up front. So anyway, this is it. You feel the engine do the work, and it makes more sense what it's doing, you know? So, makes the car actually feel faster instead of seem faster.